Let me show you the power of creating your own templates in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so I'm here in Camtasia 2024, and I want to show you how I created this template for a client's podcast that I have to edit every week. So this is the podcast right here, and I'm going to show you how I created a template to make the edit go faster. So you can see that creating a template, it's going to be beneficial if you have many media pieces and types. So you can see here that I've got the Activating Magic logo. This right here is a background. These circles right here are actually separate and they're like an image thing. You've got the actual Zoom recording. This black piece right here, which goes behind the video to create a border. These two name tags here. So you can see that there's lots of different media elements going on. Normally what you would do is you would load these things up every time. And even if you don't even have this stuff in your favorites or in a folder, it could take even longer. So this is a way to speed up that process even more. So I'm just going to load up the template and then I'm going to show you how I saved and created this template. So first I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to go to Open Project, and then I'm going to go New Project from Template. So you can see here the Template Manager is going to pop up, and this is the one right here. This is the template I made for the podcast. So I'm just going to click on that. Now it's going to be loading up, and you can see, boom, there you go. I've got the template ready to go. I've got the background. These are the bokeh lights here. And then the other one over here. Then I've got the name badges here, which I did put together in a group for both of them. And then I've got the black outline here. And then I've got the Activating Magic logo right there at the top. And I even have a space here for the Zoom video. So now all I have to do is load up my video. And I've got it right here. All I have to do is just load this up. It's going to actually make a proxy video, and if you don't know what a proxy video is, you can watch my previous tutorial, but I'm going to wait for this to turn into a proxy video, which is a lower grade video, which is going to make it easier for me to edit. And then after that, I can just pop it into place and everything is all set. Oh yeah, I do have to change the name badge, but this name badge from Darla, that stays the same because that's my client, and then the guest always changes, which can be easily done. So let me just wait for the proxy video to load up. Before we have that load up, I can actually just show you how I saved this. So what you want to do is, if you know that you're going to be using the same kinds of things over and over again, you can save it as a template. So I knew that this is the podcast setup. This is how it's going to look every time. So what you want to do is load everything up into your timeline and place it exactly where you would place it as if you were doing the edit. So I left a space here intentionally because that's where the Zoom video is going to go. So I wouldn't put the logo here because I need the logo to be here. And place everything exactly where you want it to be. The circle sparkles are over here. The name badges are over here. Place everything exactly. And then once you've done that, what you can do is go to File, and don't go to Save, but you want to save it as a project template. When you do that, you want to name the template, and then you just click OK, and then it saves as your template. And then you just follow what I did in the beginning, where I went File, and then I went New Project from Template, and you saw that I had the Activating Magic podcast template, and then it loads it up as is. And that's it. That is how you use the templates. I highly, highly recommend it if you have specific placements for things and you have multiple different types of media that you are placing every single time. All right, so the proxy video has loaded up here. You can see that it has the yellow dot. Again, if you don't know what this is, watch my previous tutorial. It basically downgrades the video so that you can edit the video faster because it recognizes that this is a large video file. And, you know, I don't know about you, but if I'm editing like a long video, it's like a 51-minute video, it can, you know, lag and put stress on your computer. So this actually makes it easier. So because I have the template all ready to go, all I have to do is bring this down, load it up here on the timeline, and then I just have to do my little clipping here. I just go to the crop tool, crop this out, and this is just like how I, you know, edit my clients' podcasts, their Zoom podcasts. So I made this template for her with her branding and everything. If you would like something like this created, a template created for yourself or your client, feel free to email me and I can create one for you. But basically have this all lined up here, bring it down a bit, and the black shape behind is already shaped accordingly, so I just need to place it correctly here. And I move it up, and then there we go. Stretch out the logo. Remember, I don't care about the timestamps just now because I do that at the end, but it's, you know, just having them in place here. And so you can see the video quality right now is pixelated because it is the proxy video, but when I render this out, it is going to be HD. So you can see, there you go. We've got this video all prepped up, ready to go, ready to edit, saved a bunch of time because I use a template, had everything placed, and I just need to pop in the video, clip it, size it, boom, and then start editing. So that's how I've been using templates. I highly recommend you use them if you need to have multiple media pieces on your projects all the time. Like if you're doing the same thing over and over again, like I am for this podcast, you definitely want to use templates. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.